In the endoscopic manufacturing process, the main purpose of incoming material inspection is to ensure that all materials, components, and accessories required for production are in line with the specified standards before entering the production process, including the physical characteristics of the material, size specifications, etc., to ensure that it meets the design and manufacturing standards. Make sure there is no visible damage, scratches, deformations, or contamination. Ensure that all parts are dimensioned in accordance with design requirements to avoid assembly problems caused by improper dimensioning. For some special functional components, such as light sources, sensors, cameras, etc., functional testing is also required to ensure that they can work properly and meet predetermined performance standards.